Kidventurers.
Hello, Kidventurers. The snow has melted, the flowers are blooming, and the sun is shining. That means it's time to say hello, spring. Spring is a wonderful season full of colour, life, and fun. Let's learn some new words that help us talk about spring. Ready? Let's go. Flower. Flowers bloom in spring. They're colourful and smell nice. Say it with me. Flower. Flower. Rain. Spring has lots of rain. Rain helps the plants grow. Say it with me. Rain. Rain. Rainbow. After the rain, sometimes a rainbow appears. It has many beautiful colours. Try saying rainbow. Rainbow. Grass. The grass turns green again in spring. It feels soft under your feet. Say it. Grass. Grass. Chick. Chicks are baby birds that hatch in spring. They're small, yellow, and very cute. Say it. Chick. Chick. Bunny. Bunnies hop around in spring. They have long ears and soft fur. Say it with me. Bunny. Bunny. Butterfly. Butterflies fly from flower to flower. They have colourful wings. Try saying butterfly. Butterfly. Bee. Bees buzz in the spring. They collect nectar and help flowers grow. Say it with me. Bee. Bee. Sunshine. In spring, the sunshine feels warm and nice. It helps everything grow. Say it with me. Sunshine. Sunshine. Wonderful! You did great! Now, let's sing a cheerful song to celebrate spring.
Again. Raindrops fall, then comes a rainbow. Green grass grows and breezes blow. Buzzing bees and birds that sing. Oh, we love the joy of spring. Hello, spring. Hello, sun. Let's go out and have some fun. Jump in puddles. Again. Wave goodbye to winter snow. Springtime fun begins to grow. With sunshine, color, and new things too. Spring says hello to me and you.
That was such a fun spring adventure. You learned new words and sang a happy song to welcome the season. Now it's your turn. What do you love most about spring? That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and come back for more fun with Kidventurers. See you next time and happy spring!